Hello friends, this is straight line part 2. In this we will discuss about triangle made from straight line and the some properties of triangle. The first is circumcenter. If we have a triangle like A, B and C, this is straight line. So, and the coordinate will be x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in Cartesian plane. So, circumcenter will be the intersection of perpendicular bisector of sides, means the perpendicular bisector of AB, AC and BC meet at a point called O, denoted by O. Then this point O will be circumcenter, and one property is that it is equidistant from vertices. It means AO is equal to BO is equal to CO. This is the property of circumcenter. The second property is centroid. Centroid means concurrence of median. Means if AD is a median and BE is a median and CF is a median, then and these three median meet at a point called as G, then G will be the centroid, concurrence of median. And as we know that median is a line from a vertex which divide its opposite side in two equal parts, which bisect its opposite side. Concurrence of median is also called as centroid. And the coordinate of bicentroid will be given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. These are the coordinates of the centroid for a given triangle. The third will be incenter. This is the concurrence of internal bisector of angles ए बी सी थ्री एंगल्स एंड इनके बाइसेक्टर जहां पर मीट करेंगे वही पॉइंट होगा इन सेंटर. एंड लेट दिस इज ए ट्रायंगल ए बी सी like that and similarly C. The side opposite to vertex A, that is BC, let it be small a similar to BK opposite small b and C. This is the length of these three sides. Then the point of the coordinate of the centroid will be given by AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus C and AY1 plus AY2 plus AY3 AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 divided by A plus B plus C. These are the formula for centroid. Also, area of a triangle will be given by 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 and plus में x3 into में y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of a triangle. If a quadrilateral is shown, then opposite vertex को मिला करके ट्रायंगल बना लेंगे और उनका सम आ जाएगा. The next is collinear property. Collinear. 3 points A, B, C will be collinear if they lies in same line on a single straight line. And area of triangle ABC will be 0. Conversely, if the area of triangle ABC is 0, then the points are collinear points. And the next one is slope. In Cartesian system, the two x axis and y axis there, and there are some many other lines which are not parallel, never perpendicular to these two axes. If like that, this is a line, then how to locate this line? We made a concept of slope. The angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis denoted by theta and tan theta will also called as its slope denoted by m, and this will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the 2 points lie on that line. So if 2 points of a line are given, we can find out its slope. And as we know that the slope of x-axis or line parallel to x-axis will be 0. Tangent and line perpendicular to x-axis या फिर y-axis, slope of y-axis or slope of line parallel to y-axis is not defined, as tangent 90 is 1 by 0 and this is not defined. This is the property of slope. Thank you.